In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together this Amazon Basics heavy-duty wire shelving unit. It's pretty simple. You don't need any tools, but you might not know where to start, so that's why I'm making this video. First, let's take a look at what we have so we can understand how this goes together. You have 4 shelves, 1, 2, 3, 4. They go like this. This is up, and right here, this is down. So keep that in mind. You have 4 legs or 8 pieces for 4 legs. These are the bottom. They are adjustable, which is really nice. You can bring these right out, see how far if your floor is off. They go quite a ways. I wouldn't go any further than that, but that's nice. And then these are the top ones. You have these clips. I'll show you how these work. These basically work with these to hold the shelves up. You have an extra one in case one of them breaks. You have the instructions right here if you want them, but hopefully you don't even need them because I'm making this video. And then you have your furniture tipping restraint system here. These right here, in case you're wondering, you can actually just get rid of these. These were just for shipping. They went in here to protect these shelves from getting broken. A couple nice features about these shelves are that they are really heavy duty. They can hold up to 350 pounds per shelf, and they're completely adjustable. So you see all these lines here, you can put a shelf anywhere you want here, and that's what these plastic clips are for. This little line right here, that locks into the groove right here on the actual leg. And in order to keep these shelves even, what you're gonna wanna do, let's say you go right to the bottom and you wanna put one of those clips right here. So you're gonna want to make sure to put them on the same leg all the way around. So they lock in like this, as an example. And you slide it until it drops in there, and then you put this piece on, same way, and it kind of snaps into place. So then your shelf would sit down on this, and it is kind of a pressure fit. And as you're doing this, let's say, because for me, I want to be able to put stuff on the floor under these shelves, and I want smaller shelves all the way up. So I'm gonna put mine right about here to start, my first shelf, and you can see there's a line right there, which is nice. There's a line there, and there's one at the bottom and the top, or towards the bottom and the top, right there. So now you have an indicator where instead of counting from here to make sure you're putting these shelves in the right place, you can just go from this center line and count, say, 1 up on each leg. Just a little bit of information just to put these shelves so they're even. So like I said, I'm gonna put mine right here to start. So I'm gonna take a leg, I'm gonna take a plastic piece, and I'm gonna lock it right into that groove, the one that has that line. So that way I know that they're gonna be even all the way around. Just like that, and do that on all the legs. Make sure you're putting this the right way. That is top. Obviously, the adjustable foot is at the bottom, so top is this way. So I'm gonna find that indicator line right there, and that's where I'm putting this. Slide it, make sure it locks in. Do the other side. There we go. Now I know it's locked in. Now we can take our first shelf, take our legs, and put them in just like that. Put them in loose to start. This, just make sure that clip stays on there until it sits right in there. Flip it over. Okay. Now, set it down like this. Kind of tap it into place. We got our first shelf. Since these are completely adjustable, make them work for whatever you need. For instance, I'm going to be putting bulk items underneath, and then for this next one, container like this. So I'll probably put my next shelf right here. 1, 2, right in this line. Snap it in. Just make sure it goes into that groove. Like that. Next shelf. This will also help to stabilize these legs. Get them to where they need to be. Just tap it. Now we can put the top of the legs on there. They just screw into place. Just as a note, you don't want to use this groove for a shelf. Any other one is fine, but stay away from that one. Make sure they're tight. Next, I'm going to use that as an example. And there's my indicator, so 1 down from that. And next shelf. And then at the top, I'm going to do right at this first line. And the last shelf. And it's always recommended to attach furniture to the wall, especially if you have small children. You don't want them toppling it over. So this is what comes in the kit. You have a long screw that you would use in here if you were able to find a stud and get into a stud. And then you would take this zip tie and wrap it around the shelf. You have one zip tie, so you could go in the middle of the shelf and tie this like that. These anchors would be good if you can't find a stud and you're just going into drywall. If you have concrete, I'm not so sure that this would actually work that well for concrete, to be honest with you. Just do what you feel is necessary to keep everyone safe. So pretty simple, no tools necessary. And in case you were wondering, this is 3 foot wide by about 54 inches tall. Again, it can hold 350 pounds per shelf. So a nice heavy duty wire shelving unit, in my opinion. So if you needed to know how to put this together, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.